Every single month, over 80,000 Missourians rely on WIC to put healthy food on their tables. But here's the crazy part. Thousands more are perfectly eligible and don't even realize it. Welcome to this explainer. If you're looking to navigate the Missouri WIC application process without all that typical bureaucratic headache, you are in the exact right place. We're going to break down a step-by-step guide to securing these vital benefits so you can walk into that clinic with total confidence.
Seriously, ask yourself, could your family be missing out on vital nutrition assistance right this very second? It's a reality for so many. This program literally transforms everyday struggles, like affording infant formula or buying fresh veggies, into a solid foundation for a child's healthy future. And hey, I am not just talking about moms here. Fathers, grandparents, foster parents, and legal guardians, you are all highly encouraged to apply for the kids in your care. The support is out there, just waiting for you. All right, let's look at our roadmap. We're going to cover what exactly Missouri WIC is, how to check your eligibility, gathering your documents, what to expect during the application and interview, how to actually use your benefits, and finally, some great support and resources. So jumping right into Section 1, what is Missouri WIC? Okay, WIC actually stands for the Special Supplemental Nutrition Program for Women, Infants, and Children. But it's really so much more than just a food program. It's a comprehensive public health intervention funded by the USDA. It's totally designed to safeguard the nutritional health of families, making sure babies and young kids get the absolute best start in life. We're talking nutrition education, tailored health referrals, and of course, healthy supplemental foods right up to a child's 5th birthday. Moving on to Section 2, checking your eligibility. Let's see if you qualify. To qualify in Missouri, you've got to meet 4 specific criteria. First up is categorical, meaning WIC serves pregnant women, postpartum women up to 6 months after delivery, breastfeeding women up to 1 year, and kids under 5. Second is residential. You have to live in Missouri, but the great news, there is no specific county restriction, which is awesome for families that move around a bit. Third is income, which needs to be below 185% of the federal poverty level. And fourth is nutritional. This is just a simple assessment done by a really friendly health professional when you visit the clinic. Let's put those income numbers into perspective. A family of 4 can make up to $61,050 a year and still qualify. That's your pre-tax gross income, by the way. And here is a fantastic pro tip that so many people miss. A pregnant woman actually counts as 2 family members. So think about it. If it's just you and your partner, but you're pregnant, the state looks at you as a family of 3, which pushes your income limit up to $50,542. Now, there is a massive shortcut here that you absolutely need to know about. It's called adjunct eligibility. Basically, if you or a family member are already enrolled in SNAP, TANF, or most MO HealthNet programs, you automatically meet the income qualification. Boom. You can completely bypass digging up standard income proofs like tax returns or pay stubs. You just bring your active program card or award letter and you are good to go. All right, Section 3, gathering your documents. Let's get you prepped for that visit. You're going to need to bring 3 pillars of proof to your very first appointment. Having these ready is absolutely crucial to prevent any frustrating delays. Number 1, proof of identity. A driver's license for you and a birth certificate, or even just the hospital crib card for your baby. Number 2, proof of residency. So a utility bill, lease, or pay stub from the last 30 days that clearly shows your physical address. And number 3, proof of income. Like we just said, 30 days of recent pay stubs, your W-2, or your SNAP or TANF award letter. Make sure you gather all this up before you even make the phone call. Which brings us to Section 4, the application and interview process. Here's exactly what to expect. Okay, here is your exact pipeline. Step 1, pre-screen and contact. You can do this super easily using the online WIC interest form or just call the state hotline at 1-800-TEL-LINK. Step 2, schedule your certification appointment. With 116 local agencies across Missouri, there is definitely one near you. Step 3, attend the appointment. Remember to bring all applying family members and that stack of documents we just went over. And the best part? Right after this initial visit, the staff will let you know your approval status right then and there and outline your immediate next steps. Now, I know the word interview sounds intimidating, but don't let it stress you out. The WIC interview is honestly just a supportive, helpful meeting. The friendly clinic staff will do a basic health assessment, checking height, weight, hemoglobin levels, and they'll review your diet history. Oh, and here is a huge tip to avoid a super common pitfall. Double check that every single child you are applying for is physically present with you at this appointment. Otherwise, things get delayed.
Think of this meeting as your chance to get completely free, tailored nutrition advice from the experts.
Section 5, using your WIC benefits. This is where it gets really rewarding.
Once you're approved, you'll receive an eWIC card. Missouri introduced these back in 2020, and let me tell you, it completely revolutionized the process. It replaced all those old, cumbersome paper checks, and it functions exactly like a standard debit card. It makes checking out at the grocery store incredibly fast, wonderfully easy, and totally discreet. But your benefits actually stretch way further than just the grocery aisle. Of course, you get access to healthy staples specifically tailored for your child's developmental needs. But on top of that, through the WIC Farmers Market Nutrition Program, you get $20 annually to spend on fresh, local produce. And get this, if you also use SNAP, programs like Double Up Food Bucks at places like the Farmers Market of the Ozarks will literally match up to $25 a day. No way, right? It's an unbelievable way to stock up on fresh fruits and veggies while stretching your budget.
Finally, Section 6, support, resources, and real stories. Because WIC is about way more than just the groceries. Here's a major pro tip for all you busy parents out there. To keep receiving WIC benefits, you do have to complete some ongoing nutrition education. But guess what? You don't always have to schlep into the clinic to do it. You can save a ton of time by completing your required modules online at wichealth.org. It completely streamlines your experience right from your phone or laptop. WIC is also an absolute powerhouse of support for new mothers. They really understand that breastfeeding is a journey, and moms need accurate information and timely support to make it work. Real participants like Brianna and Fortune have shared these incredibly inspiring stories about how WIC genuinely lifted that overwhelming stress of early motherhood off their shoulders. You get access to peer counselors, literally moms who have been right where you are, plus free manual and electric breast pumps. In fact, over 85% of Missouri participants go to designated breastfeeding-friendly clinics equipped with those exact resources.
Now, before we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one very important tip. Income limits, guidelines, and specific policies do update annually, usually around late spring. While we've covered the most current operational framework in this explainer today, you should always verify the latest details straight from the source. Just visit wic.mo.gov or call that TELLINK hotline at 1-800-835-4665. They are the ultimate authority for your family's specific situation.
Which leaves us with one final, incredibly important question. Are you ready to take the first step toward a healthier future for your family today? Look, you've got the roadmap now. You know exactly what documents you need, and you understand how the whole process works. The tools are literally right in your hands. Please don't leave these life-changing benefits on the table. Pick up the phone or go online to claim the support your family truly deserves. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and happy learning.